You set a goal. You feel motivated. And then, almost immediately, you find a reason to quit. It's not laziness. It's not a lack of willpower. It's a survival mechanism, hardwired into your biology. For hundreds of thousands of years, your brain had one job: keep you alive. Change meant danger. Comfort meant survival. So when you try to build a new habit, start a business, or learn a skill, your brain panics. It releases stress hormones. It makes you feel tired. It literally sabotages your success to keep you safe in the familiar. But you can hack this system. The trick isn't to fight your brain. The trick is to trick it. Instead of massive leaps that trigger the alarm, take micro steps. Make the change so small, your brain doesn't even notice. Want to read more? Read one page. Want to work out? Do one push-up. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Over time, these micro steps rewrite your neural pathways. The unfamiliar becomes the new normal. Your brain stops fighting you and starts working for you. That is how you win. So what is the one micro step you can take right now? Don't wait. Do it today. If this changed how you see yourself, subscribe for more ways to master your mind.